What's up, guys? It's Blake with WHY2K. I know I've been absent for a couple weeks and I apologize to my now 101 subscribers. That's right, guys, we cracked 100 subscribers. I know in the grand scheme of things, to most people it's probably not a monumental number, but to me, the first 100 subscribers, I think that's a pretty cool milestone to hit. So thank you guys for subscribing and watching all the content. And once again, sorry for the couple-week break, but I had to sell some real estate. That's one of my other careers, and it helps pay for all the cars you see behind me. But without further ado, let's turn the camera around and show you guys what I wanted to do today, which is a Y2K garage tour. Let's just check out what I've got right now for those of you who are new to the channel. Even for those of you who've been watching, I really haven't covered some of these cars behind me a lot. So let's get to it. Up first, of course, we have the 1992 Lamborghini Diablo, the car I've dreamt about since I was just a little boy. It's the black on cream, of course, with the V12 and the scissor doors. We can check those out real fast. Yep, there they go. This car, like I said, I'm the third owner, and it's been really great. It's only got, I think it's got about 17,000 miles on it now. It's in kilometers, and I don't feel like converting on the math right now to tell you exactly, but it's close. Then next we have the incredible 1997 S600, which may or may not be 2-0 in Mexico street racing against a Super WRX and a brand new Dodge Charger Hemi. That one I was kind of surprised about, but this old V12, she runs like a freight train, I gotta say. You know the story on this one, for those of you who have been subscribed. Bought it from the original owner, and you know, it's a 97 S600. I don't know much more to say about it. The V12's great, rides like you're on a cloud, and I got the Y2K sticker, and it's an amazing car, and everything works. Every single thing on that car works. Up next, we have the E92 M3. This car is actually a 2011, I know, but it was built, this body style came out in 08, so I'm just gonna say, you know, it is Y2K approved, because they didn't do anything to this car from 08 to 13. It's got the ESS supercharger on it, it's a manual, it's got the red, box red interior, and we've got performance steering wheel on it, the OEM BMW one. It's got KW coilovers. It's got the, show you under the hood, the most important part. The ESS 650 supercharger, making about 530 to the wheels. And in case that's not enough, I've also got a 50 shot of nitrous connected. Bottles out, but it can be connected at any minute. So really enjoyed this car. Done a lot of half-mile racing with it with my other business. Want to go fast. And then out back, we've got the wife's car. Now, this car is actually a 2012, but this body style came out in 07, and it ran until 2013. So this body style is a Y2K body style. This is the M. See right there, the M badge. 600 horsepower, because it's originally 554. But we tuned it to 600 with an ESS tune. So, low 12-second car in the quarter, hauls all the groceries around. If you have kids, it will do that too, but we haul the dogs, because we have dogs. But it's just a great car. It's got a white interior, which when we bought it seemed like a great idea, but it's really hard to keep this thing clean. So, but yeah, that's what I got for you guys today. It's just a very brief garage tour. I haven't made any content in a couple weeks, so I wanted to at least show you that I'm still here. I'm still driving Y2K cars. I'm trying to think of what I should do next. I'm thinking about getting a drift car and then taking it to some local competitions near where I live in Pensacola, South Georgia, etc., maybe Central Florida. I've always liked driving cars. I did a Panos race school when I was about 16. And but I've never actually gotten behind the wheel and done a lot of competition, so to speak, outside of autocross and stuff like that. So I think that's kind of the next thing I'm doing. So comment down below and let me know what Y2K drift car I should get. I'm thinking about obviously an S13 or an S14, maybe R32, 33 rear-wheel drive. Has to be RB25 or RB26 if it's swapped. And then possibly an FD, possibly, but I think it's going to break, and then that would suck because it's about 2,500 bucks without labor just to rebuild it. And then you gotta, you know, either I would have to figure out how to do it on my own, which I'm not very good at being a mechanic, or I would need to pay somebody else to do it. The shop I used to work at in Pensacola when I was in college is called Fighter's Garage, and we used to rebuild rotaries, so I know a lot about the engine itself and how the seals work. And I actually had an RX-8, a Y2K approved RX-8 when I was a senior in high school. And so that's kind of what I'm thinking about right now. FD, S13, 14, or the R32, R33. The 350Z is a car I actually did want when I was about 16. I wanted a blue one. But I don't think that's the car I'm gonna get. They're really cheap, and I know you can get them you know, for 4 or 5 grand and just drift the crap out of it, but I want something that's a period correct Japanese modified car. Just want to buy it and just go drifting. So anyways, that's what we've got today for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the short and sweet garage tour. As you can see, it's hasn't changed a whole lot since we talked last, but I don't think I've really shown you guys the M3 very much, or the X5. So I at least wanted to show you guys those cars and walk you through them briefly. And I think we're actually going to take the S600 to the drag strip and run it in the 8th mile just to see what it can really do. You think, comment down below, what do you think this car is going to run in the 8th mile? I'm hoping for under 10. It feels pretty good to me. It's almost 4 horsepower, but it weighs a lot. But I just want to check it out and see. So that'll probably be the next, maybe the next second or third video you see. I've got a couple really cool cars coming up. I got a Murcielago and a Gallardo, both manual, that I'm going to be filming hopefully tomorrow. So anyways, we got more content rolling out. I'm sorry for the pause. And you know, if you like what you saw here today on Y2K, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button. Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next video.